Welcome to episode 1 of Infinidat's Red Hat Solution Series. This is Eric Herzog, CMO of Infinidat, a Red Hat certified ecosystem partner. Today we'll be discussing the Infinidat CSI driver, which is fully certified by Red Hat and enables high-end enterprise storage features for OpenShift and OpenShift Virtualization. With me today is Mike Jochimsen, Infinidat's Director of Alliances. Welcome, Mike.
Thanks, Eric. I'm really happy to be here with you today.
I thought it would be helpful to let people know who Infinidat is. Infinidat is a high-end enterprise storage solution provider. Over 26% of the Fortune 50 leverage our solutions for both primary and secondary storage. We do not have anything for mid-range or for the entry storage space, so high-end enterprise-only solutions. The bulk of our customers are the global Fortune 500. With that in mind, Mike, can you describe the audience why Infinidat developed its CSI driver and what value it brings to our high-end enterprise customers?
Absolutely, Eric. Over the past 5 years, Infinidat has seen a trend in Fortune 500 enterprises moving away from traditional virtualization infrastructures to containers-based environments for production workloads. While these customers initially deployed containers in labs for evaluation purposes, they quickly moved into DevOps environments, and eventually this became one of the leading platforms for enterprise applications. We released our CSI driver in April 2021 to provide these customers the same high-end enterprise storage features in a containerized environment that they were accustomed to in their other bare metal and virtualized environments.
How is this translating to our work and our experience with Red Hat, specifically on our CSI driver?
Yeah, Infinidat and Red Hat have long history together, given the prevalence of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, OpenShift, and even Red Hat OpenStack in our customer base. With the introduction of OpenShift Virtualization in 2020 and the changing landscape of enterprise virtualization, we saw a broader need to collaborate even closer with Red Hat to ensure the success of customers adopting this as their next generation virtualization platform based on a containers environment.
Tell me more about the CSI driver's capabilities and how this collaboration between Infinidat and Red Hat has helped drive the roadmap for our features and benefits to our end user base.
The CSI driver was built on the principle that containers plus Infinidat equals a simplified, seamless, and rapid integration of persistent storage to your Kubernetes environment. It's freely available in OpenShift via the Operator Hub, and it offers advanced features such as establishing customer tenancy by selecting the relevant pool for each customer or application, providing service-level provisioning by assigning apps to a specific InfiniBox based on performance needs, leveraging the InfiniBox's resiliency by supporting multiple Infinidat network spaces and network redundancy, monitoring CSI metrics using Prometheus, leveraging built-in InfiniBox replication, including active-active, multi-protocol flexibility. It manages Kubernetes persistent volumes attached via block and file protocols, including Fiber Channel, iSCSI, NVMe over TCP, and NFS with all Kubernetes PV access modes. Supports tens of petabytes of scalability, supporting hundreds of thousands of PVs per InfiniBox system, and controlling multiple InfiniBox arrays within a single Kubernetes cluster. It has advanced enterprise features such as managing native InfiniBox snapshots and clones, including restoring from snapshots, and importing PVs created outside of the InfiniBox CSI driver. It's cyber resilient via InfiniSafe immutable snapshots and automated cyber protection, and we've made it easy to transfer existing InfiniBox volumes to OpenShift persistent volumes, while we've also made it simple to clone and resize volumes in OpenShift. It's really important to note that many of these features were driven by our OpenShift customers.
Mike, that's a great statement about what we've done with primary storage. But as you know, Infinidat has been a full-line systems provider for both primary workloads and for backup workloads. How does the CSI driver help our customers back up their OpenShift volumes and their container environments?
Well, Infinidat solutions have been leveraged as high performance and high availability backup targets by almost all of the major backup vendors for years across all dataset deployments, including containers environments. Thus, Kubernetes backup applications use the same CSI driver for access to data on the InfiniBox to create snapshots for backup and to provision volumes for restore if necessary. We also recently worked with several backup vendors to ensure that they could leverage our immutable snapshot support for backup purposes to ensure a protected copy of the data on the InfiniBox is backed up.
Thank you for those excellent insights. For more information on Infinidat's CSI driver, you can visit the Operator Hub or the Infinidat page in the Red Hat Ecosystem Catalog. Please stay tuned for future episodes of Infinidat's Red Hat Solutions series, where we will dive deeper into topics such as scaling OpenShift virtualization, making your OpenShift environment more resilient, and ensuring high availability for OpenShift platforms. Thank you again for joining us at our Red Hat Solutions videocasts.